Amitabh Bachchan is one of the biggest stars in Indian cinema. People call him the SHAHANSHAHA of Bollywood and the Big B. But his life was not always full of success and fame. He faced many problems, failures, and emotional struggles. His story is not just about being a star. It is about fighting through hard times with courage and never giving up. Early life and big dreams. Amitabh Bachchan was born on October 11, 1942, in Allahabad, India. His father, Harivansh Rai Bachchan, was a famous poet. From a young age, Amitabh was interested in movies and acting. But he was tall, thin, and had a deep voice, things that many people thought were not right for a movie hero at that time. When he went to Mumbai to try for film roles, many filmmakers rejected him. Some said his voice was too heavy, and others thought he did not look like a hero. This hurt him, but he did not stop dreaming. The first break and early struggles. In 1969, Amitabh finally got his first break in a film called Saath Hindustani. It did not do very well. Then came other films. But success was still far away. He did small roles and voice work just to stay in the industry. In 1973, everything changed. He acted in Zanjeer, where he played the role of an angry young man. People loved his powerful performance, and suddenly, he became a star. He gave hit after hit, Sholay, Diwar, Dawn, and many more. But success brought its own problems. The near-death accident in 1982, while shooting a film called Coolie, Amitabh got badly injured. He was doing a fight scene when he fell and hit the edge of a table. The injury was very serious. He was taken to the hospital, and for many days, he was unconscious. Doctors said he might not survive. The whole country prayed for him. Finally, he woke up. He called it his rebirth. But even after recovering, his body was weak, and it took him months to return to normal life. It was a very emotional time for him and his family. Political failure and more pain. In 1984, Amitabh joined politics because his close friend Rajiv Gandhi asked him to. He won the election and became a member of parliament. But politics was not for him. He got involved in some controversies and became very sad. He left politics in just 3 years, calling it a cesspool. This period was full of emotional struggle. People criticized him, and he felt lost. He said it was one of the darkest times in his life. Financial problems and bankruptcy. In the late 1990s, Amitabh's career started to fall. His movies were not doing well. He started a company called ABCL, Amitabh Bachchan Corporation Limited, to make films and TV shows. But the company failed badly. He lost all his money. At one point, he had no work, no money, and many loans to pay. Creditors would knock on his door. He said he had nothing, no house, no bank balance, nothing but faith. This was the most painful time of his life. At the age when people retire, he had to start all over again. He felt like he had failed his family and fans. But he did not give up. A new beginning with Kaun Banega Crorepati in 2000. He made a big decision to host a TV quiz show called Kaun Banega Crorepati, KBC. Many people laughed at him. They said a movie star should not do television. But he needed the money and wanted to rebuild his life. KBC became a super hit. People loved seeing him on TV. Slowly, offers started coming again. He did good films like Mohabbatein, Bagban, Black, and Pa. His second innings was even more successful than the first. Lessons from his life. Amitabh Bachchan's life teaches us many lessons. Never give up, even when everyone rejected him. He kept trying. Have faith in yourself. He believed in his dreams when others did not. Hard times don't last forever, Even after accidents, failures, and bankruptcy, he came back stronger. Stay humble, even with all the fame, he stayed down to earth. Reinvention is the key, he was not afraid to try new things, like TV. Today, Amitabh is not just a film star. He is a symbol of hope and strength. He is loved by people of all ages. He writes blogs, shares thoughts on social media, and connects with fans every day. His deep voice, strong acting, and kind heart continue to inspire millions. He has won many awards, including the National Film Award, Filmfare Awards, and the Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, and Padma Vibhushan. But more than awards, he has won hearts. Final words. Amitabh Bachchan's journey is not just a story of success. It is a story of falling, rising, and flying again. It shows that no matter how dark life becomes, light will return if you keep walking. His struggles made him stronger, his pain made him kinder, and his failures made his success even more beautiful. If you ever feel like giving up, remember Amitabh Bachchan, the man who lost everything but rebuilt his life with faith, courage, and hard work.